y'all, welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today we're gonna can up some peas. My garden just finished the little bit of a pea harvest we got. I figure we'll get like 3 pints out of it. So I'm gonna bring you in to shell the last few peas and then we'll get them going in the canner. So these were some King Tut peas. They were from Baker Creek Seeds. And I thought, since the pods were purple, that maybe the peas would be, but the peas are still green. So, but these are real easy. You just kind of squeeze them and bust open, and then the peas just fall right out. I also had some caseload peas. They actually produced a lot better than these King Tut peas did. Like I had a lot more pods on the vines, but the King Tut actually do taste better when they're raw anyways. But I think peas are probably one of those things where, unless you just have a lot of room for a garden, you're better off going to a farmer's market to get them, or just buying them already in a can, because I had 2 little spots and there was a lot of vines, but I'm only getting like 3 pints of peas. So I'm going to wash these up, and then you just fill it up with water up to a 1-inch mark, and then I'll bring you back when I'm ready to can them up. Okay, welcome back. I got the peas in the pressure canner. I had them in the refrigerator because I didn't get them canned last night. So the canner's cold, the water's cold, everything's cold. So I'm going to let it come up to, I'm gonna get it to where it vents for 10 minutes, and then I'll bring you back. I think I put everything on backwards. Yep. Okay, so once it starts venting, I'll let it vent for 10 minutes, and then it's gonna put the weight on, let it come up to pressure, 10 pounds of pressure for 40 minutes. So I'll bring you back later. Okay, so I let it vent for 10 minutes. It came up, I put the weight on. It's at 10 pounds of pressure. So now we're gonna time it for 40 minutes. And then when that gets done, I'll turn the heat off, let the pressure come down, let it sit for another 10 minutes, and then I can take them out. So I'll bring you back then. Okay, so it's come down to 0 pressure, and I let it sit for 10 minutes. And there's our finished peas. So I'll let these sit on the counter for 24 hours or so, and then take the rings off and put them up in the pantry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. One more thing. I just went to take out the King Tut peas, and they're like red. So if y'all have ever seen that before, let me know, because the peas were definitely green. But the pods were purple, so maybe something on the inside makes it turn orange. Anyway, see you next time.